Hello everyone. In this video, we learn how to calculate mean deviation about mean for the given data. So, dear children, we have question number 9 of exercise 15.1. With the help of this question, I am going to explain how to calculate mean deviation about mean for the given data. So, here data is given in interval form. Okay. Income day in rupees 0 to 100. Number of person is 4 given and 100 to 200. Income per day rupees 100 to 200 is number of person 8 and 200 to 300 9, 300 to 400 10, 400 to 500 7, 500 to 600 5, 600 to 700 given number of person 4 and last 700 to 800 the number of person given 3. Okay, and we have to find its mean deviation about mean for the data. Okay, so if data given in interval form, so we use 3 methods to calculate mean. Okay, only mean for the given data. First by direct method, second by shortcut method, this is also called assume mean method, and third by step deviation method. Okay, so assume mean method and shortcut method, this is also called shortcut method, and step deviation method is used when each value of fi and xi is large. Okay, so in this question we have to see the value of each xi and fi is large. So we need to find this mean by using in this question step deviation method. Okay, so let us see how it is used to find mean. Okay, so first find mid value. Okay, mid value each class interval, mid value each class interval, this is called xi. Okay, this is called xi and this is called fi. Okay, so 0 plus 100, mid value is calculated by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 0 plus 100 divided by 2 equal to 50, and next 100 plus 200 divided by 2 means 300 divided by 2 150, so this is 150, and similarly the gaps between two consecutive number is 100, so therefore the next is also sum of 100. Okay, now adding 100 in this term we get the next term means 250, and next is 350, next 450, next 550, next 650, and next 750. Okay, this is the mid value of each class interval. Okay, and next we find assume mean. Okay, we have to assume. So first complete the table. This is ui equal to xi minus a upon h, and next fi ui, and next xi x bar, and next fi xi x bar. Okay, so here assume a, mostly the middle value. Okay, we assume mostly the middle value of the given observation. So we need to assume 450. This is A. Okay. So write here A equal to 450 and H equal to size of the class interval. So size of the class interval is 100. Okay. 100. Okay. Now find each UI of the class interval. Okay. So xi minus a upon h means minus 450 divided by 100. So this is minus 4. Okay. And here this is minus 3. This is minus 2 and this is minus 1 and next 0 and this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Okay. Now here find each UI. Okay. By xi minus a upon h ug. Next we need to find fi ui. Okay. So fi ui means 4 minus 4, 4 4 just 16 and this is minus 24. Minus 24, next minus 18, minus 1 by 10, minus 10 and 0 by 7 is 0, 1 by 5 is 5 and next 4 2 ja 8, next 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now adding each fi ui, so we get me sigma fi ui equal to minus 46. Okay, minus 46 and each fi after adding we get me 50. The sum of each fi equal to 50 and each fi ui is minus 46. Okay, and next we need to find its median. So median, sorry, we need to find mean. So mean equal to x bar, this is a plus fi ui divided by fi into size of the class interval means h. So here a is 450. So this is 450 plus fi ui is minus 46. This is minus 46 divided by 50 into h is 100. So this is 0, 5 to the 10. This is 450 minus, now 46 multiplied by 2. So to get me 6 to the 12, 4 to the 8, 9. 450 minus 92. Now 450 minus 92 is equal to 358. Okay, this is 358. So this is mean. X bar equal to 358. Okay, and now we have to complete the tables for calculating mean deviation about mean. Okay, so we find mean deviation. Okay, so 50 minus x bar means x bar minus 358. We need to find x. So 50 minus 358, which is equal to 308. This is 308 and next 208, and next is 208, and next is 108. 108. Okay, 108. Next 892. This is 8. This is 92. Means 350 minus 58. 8, and next 450 minus 358, 92, and next 550 minus 558, which is equal to 192. Okay, this is 192, 292, 392, 192, 292, and 390. Okay. Okay, and next table we need to find fi and mod xi minus x bar. This is xi bar, not xi, only x bar. So 308 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 1232. 1232, and next 208 multiplied with 8, so to get me 1664, 1664, and next 108 multiplied by 9, so to get me 972. Okay, 972, and next 80, this is 80, and this is 644. Okay, 644, and next 960, this is 960, and this is 1168, this is 1168, and next is 1176. Okay, now find each sum. Okay, now find each sum. So after adding all the term, all 8 term, so we get me 7896. Okay, 7896. Okay, so now its mean deviation about mean means md equal to x bar equal to sigma fi xi minus x bar divided by fi. Okay, so this is 7896 divided by I is 50. 7896 divided by 50. So to get me 157.92, which is equal to 157.92. This is required value of the mean deviation about mean of the given data. Okay, so dear children, I hope this is clear how to find mean deviation about mean by using step deviation method. Okay, so thanks to everyone.